Karma isn't punishment. It's education. It's settlement. It's a balancing out of energies. And when people hear the word karma, they often go into fear and judgment, into fight and flight. So when we understand that the literal English translation of karma means action, and we apply the law of action and reaction, according to, let's say, Sir Isaac Newton's third law, who says, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction, we can start to understand and work with, rather than push against, this law of balancing out, this law of rebalancing, recalibrating. This balancing out, this karmic settling has to happen, whether we like it or not, whether we accept it or not. It has to happen. So it can be done gracefully, with quiet acceptance and reverence for this law, or it can come feeling like you've just been hit by a freight train and you're being punished. Each role carries unique lessons meant to evolve the soul, meant to heal and purify the soul. We can settle our karmic debt through radical acceptance and learn and heal and grow with sweetness and honesty, or we can resist or force with bitterness, anger and denial. So remember that choice comes with consequences or rewards. So hey beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of my 3-part series on playing the game of life with an open heart. And to anyone new here, welcome. My name is Anne-Marie. I help individuals find meaning and healing in their lives to reclaim their power and purpose after loss and trauma. If you want to work with me, my details are below in the description box. So if life feels unfair, what if it's not punishment but education? What if it's not suffering but settlement? Karmic debt isn't about being good or bad. It's about balancing our energy field. Every soul carries unfinished lessons, not as judgment, but as opportunity. Your role in this lifetime comes with specific challenges, specific relationships, specific emotional triggers, but also specific strengths and gifts, which we often overlook in the process of fighting, resisting what has to happen. And these opportunities come not to break you, but to teach you, to strengthen you, and to clear your karmic debt, and to help you return to your essence of love, truth, peace, power, and light. Here's something that most people miss. You may not choose the lesson, but you do choose how you meet it. And if you don't meet it with love and light and courage, instead choose to resist and hide or force and fight, the suffering will be more severe. And you will feel like you're being punished. So remember, choice, actions, and reactions have consequences. You can learn through softness, acceptance, curiosity, and self-compassion, or through resistance, through fighting, through blame, and through bitterness. Same lesson, very, very different experiences and outcomes. Bitterness hardens the heart and closes it off to life and love. Sweetness keeps it open and flowing. So here's a way to empower yourself by simply reframing the way you talk with yourself. When you stop asking, why is this happening to me? Why is this happening? Why, period. And start asking, what is this teaching me? Everything changes. So start paying attention to how you speak with yourself, and just simply learn to reframe it and learn to meet these lessons head on with love and light, instead of waiting for it to come for you. Because life gets more intense, life knocks harder. I've mentioned this in many videos before, until we face these lessons. Okay, so I hope that helped. In the final video, we'll explore play and why seeing life as a game might be the most spiritual thing that you can do, not only for yourself, but for those around you. So until then, as always, lots and lots of love from my heart to you.